Hello everyone, my name is Ketan Mittal and today we are going to talk about the Q1 results of Nestle, a company that has made all of our childhood lives so much better with their iconic product Maggie. So today we're going to look at the Q1 results of Nestle, and based on that I am going to give you a recommendation on the stock price of Nestle. So stay with me till the very end. So let's start. We'll first look at the year-on-year comparison, which means we're going to compare the results of the current quarter with the results of the previous year same quarter. So the sales for Nestle has grown by 14% from 3,050 crores to 3,476 crores. If you look at the expenses, that has also grown up by 14% from 2,400 crores to close to 2,800 crores. PBT, which we call profit before tax, has shown a 12% improvement from 652 crores to 730 crores. If you look at PAT, which we call PAT or profit after tax, that's shown an 11% jump from 486 crores last year to 538 crores this year. Overall, the numbers look okay because this quarter was affected by the second wave of COVID. But then we also need to remember that the first quarter of last year was also affected by COVID. So in spite of being affected by COVID, the sales have actually jumped by 14%, which shows that the impact of the second wave of coronavirus was not as much as the impact of the first wave of the coronavirus lockdown. So these are the three iconic products which have become household names now. One is Nestle Munch, the other is Maggie, and the final one is Nestle KitKat. I am pretty sure at some point or the other, each one of us has consumed all these three products. And the reason that I have put these three products on this particular slide is because these are among the high revenue generating products for Nestle. And there's one common factor in the current quarter results among all these three products, and that is all of them has shown a strong double-digit growth this current quarter. And that's why I'm highlighting this. When your top revenue generating products show this kind of a growth, it actually sends a very positive signal for the future outlook. And it tells the shareholders that if the growth levels continue, the company is going to earn a higher amount of revenue. Moving to the key highlights of Nestle for this particular quarter, the earnings per share, which is EPS, is at 55.9 rupees versus 50.4 last year. This means that the shareholders are willing to pay 55.9 rupees for every share, and the same amount was 50.4. So per share, the earnings are 50.4 last year, which has now gone up to 55.9, and that's a positive signal. The e-commerce business has grown by 105%. That's a huge growth. And currently for Nestle, e-com is 7% of their overall sales. Now, if e-com business is growing and it's 7% of the overall sales right now, that actually tells me that in the coming months, in the coming quarters, and in the coming years, e-com business has the potential to grow by leaps and bounds, and that 7% can actually go to double digits within no time at all. The hyper-local business for Nestle has also grown at a massive 147%. Nestle has invested 25 crores on projects that are related to sustainability, and that's a good sign because sustainability is something that's gaining a lot of traction these days. If you look at the export sales for Nestle on a year-on-year basis, that has also been up by 18%. They have spent 15 crores on CSR spends. They have hired close to 1,000 people this current quarter. What does this tell you? This tells you that they see an uptick in the demand. They see that their sales are likely to go up, which is why they have made massive investments in hiring people. And that is again a positive sign for the shareholders of the firm. The projects that are related to innovation in the company Nestle that are contributing to 4.9% of the sales. While this may not be a very relevant metric for us, this goes to show that Nestle is a company that's focused on driving innovation within the firm, and that's a number that the management tracks very keenly. So based on this, let's come to the target price of Nestle share. The current market price is 17,820 as we speak. My recommendation is a target price of 18,853 within the next 6 months, and that is a potential upside of 5.9%, close to 6%. And 6% growth within a time of 6 months is a good enough return for the shareholders. And I would actually think that this has a potential. The stock has a potential to cross 19,000 levels. But just to be sure that we hit the right number, I have taken an upside of 5.9%. All right, that's it from my end. Thanks for watching the video. And for more of such quality content, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.